So this month I'm going to take you through the beginner basics of going zero waste. Side note, when I say zero waste, I don't mean zero. We all produce some waste, and that is totally okay and not our fault because we're just consumers and we take what's given to us. But for anyone interested in reducing their waste, then this series will be for you. So hit subscribe and you can get all the videos in this series. This is just one of 8 this month. So step 1 is to figure out the trash you are currently producing. So that's what we're gonna figure out today. Technically, step 1 is to figure out your why you wanna do this, because that'll keep you motivated. But I couldn't come up with a whole video around that, so that's your homework. Okay, trash audit. Least fun, probably, but definitely the most eye-opening and helpful along the process. Yes, you're gonna have to look through your garbage. I recommend a tarp, or if you know you have a lot of food waste, maybe start collecting new trash now and separate the gross stuff out from the rest of your trash so it's easy to dig through later. But once you have your trash all ready to go, you're just gonna wanna dump it out and see what you got. Then you're gonna wanna group it into piles. So put all your paper towels in one area, put your toothpaste on its own and your sunscreen or lotion together, and put your plastic wrap all in a pile. Again, your food waste all together. Make piles in whatever way makes sense to you so you can see everything and about how much you have of everything. Then you're pretty much gonna wanna tally it all out. Then you're gonna wanna rank them all highest to lowest so you can see what are those 1 or 2 things that you're throwing away a lot of, and then we'll see if we can come up with an alternative. And you can do this with multiple trash cans. Do one in your kitchen, your bedroom, your bathroom. You'll be able to see what areas of your home you are producing the most trash in, and what areas of the home that maybe you're already doing a really good job. So with this list, this is how we're gonna cater to our specific needs. Because I might do a trash audit and see, wow, I have a lot of disposable coffee cups. You might do your trash audit and think, a lot of paper towels in there. So in order for me to reduce my waste, I will perhaps get a reusable coffee mug or make coffee at home. Whereas you will get rags, get unpaper towels, find other solutions to reduce your paper towel waste. There's no one size fits all here. And please, please remember, trash is unavoidable, and some trash you won't find alternatives for. I have medical waste and pill bottles and things like that I'm gonna keep using. We all have our own needs, our own circumstances, so just do what you can and don't do what you can't do. It'll be okay. Even just one small change can make a really big difference. We'll get into alternatives for everything throughout the rest of the month, but I think this is a great starting point. Like this video if you haven't yet, and subscribe to get the rest of my videos this month and my other content all about living a sustainable lifestyle. And I will see you next time. Bye.